Qwashers, www.pressurewasherbits.co.uk, Q Services Limited. What I've got here is the Mac Compact. 9 litres a minute, 150 bar. Immediate stop when you let go of the trigger. What I've simply got is your controls at the back, your thermostat control, and on and off. Fuel tank at the back. You've also got a chemical tank at the front of the machine as well. Water inlet, high pressure outlet, screw fitting. What we'll do is have a look at the machine. An over reverbia pump. This is actually running at 2,800 RPMs. A great little machine. Your fuel filter down the side, your boiler, your electrode leads, your flow and return for your fuel. Underneath there we've got the Danfoss fuel pump, and that's 9 litres, 150 bar, 240 volt. Q Services, www.pressurewasherbits, Qwashers at eBay. Thank you.